Hey folks, got a really great song for you today by Dave Frischberg. A great songwriter. Three songs that I just love by him. And there's plenty of other ones too, and these are the most popular ones probably. Peel Me a Grape, which is the one I'm going to cover today. Also, My Attorney Bernie is a very funny and clever song. And I think the funniest one I've ever heard is Dave Frischberg's own version of the song, I'm Hip. It's just hilarious. So if you get a chance, look that up on YouTube or something. I'm Hip, Dave Frischberg. All right, so Peel Me a Grape. I listened to three versions. My favorite for a long time has been
Peel me a grape, crush me some ice, skin me a peach, leave a fuzz for my pillow.
Shirley Horn. Love Shirley. Got to see her in concert one time, and just absolutely wonderful. And of course, I listened to Diana Krall, who recorded it, and also Blossom Dearie. And if you're not familiar with Blossom Dearie, she's got a real high kind of little girl kind of voice, and so she delivers the song pretty well. And I think she was part of that group of people: Bob Duro, Blossom Dearie, and Dave Frischberg. I don't know how they're associated. They're all friends or something. Anyway, Peel Me a Grape. I've got some sheet music here, too, and this one is in Blossom Dearie's key, which is really high. So this might, I don't know if a guy could sing this song. I've never heard of a guy singing this song. But nowadays, anything goes. So, peel me a grape, crush me some ice. I tell you, this song is like my life. I tell you, it hits close to home. Blossom Dearie's key could be sung by a guy because she sings very, very high. But I'm going to cover it in Diana Krall's key and also Shirley Horn's key, which is down a fourth here in A minor. Let's bring up Shirley Horn first. Peel Me a Grape, Shirley. Yeah, she just has the right delivery, I think, for this song. So, harmonic, and I'm going to play along with the recording here, and, I'm not going to get monetized on this video, so I do appreciate the people that support me through PayPal and Patreon. I plan to do a lot more videos like this where I'm not going to worry too much about the copyright, because if you do a song like this and use the original recording, YouTube sends all the money to the person who recorded it or owns the rights, and that's the right thing to do for sure. So let's listen to that intro again.
Peel me a grape, crush me some ice, skin me a peach.
All right. So it sounds like she's up there on a B flat seventh chord, and it's got a ninth and a 13 in there too. There's the 13, and there's the 9, down to an A minor ninth, okay? And then it kind of walks down like that, from A minor, G minor, F seventh, E seventh. It might be G seventh too. Yeah, let's make it G7, F7, and E7. And this is like Hit the Road Jack. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back. That kind of progression. Now, this song's not a blues, but it's really got the elements of the blues in there, and you'll see why in just a minute here. So, continue.
Buzz for my pillow, start me a smoke, talk to me nice. You got
Yeah, hits that C7 sharp 11, and that's an easy chord to come up with on the fly. Just think a whole step above to D major, put a triad down there, play the root in the 3rd, 7th down there, and she's going towards F7, and this is the bluesy part. Let's take it along with Shirley.
You got to wine me and dine me. Don't try to fool me, bejewel me. Either amuse me or lose me. I'm getting hungry. Peel me a grape. Pop me a cork. French me a fry. Crack me a nut. Bring a bowl full of bonbons. Chill me some wine. Keep standing by. Just entertain me. Champagne me. Show me you love me. Kid glove me. Best way to cheer me. Cashmere me. I'm getting hungry. Peel me a grape. Here's how to be an agreeable chap.
All right, this is the bridge. Let's just see how she gets into that bridge one more time.
Love me and best way to cheer me.
Can't quite tell. So probably just the same progression down to G7, F7, then the E7, make it like a sharp 9. Right? That's the sharp 9 up there. And then that's the bridge, okay? And just to take it in A7th here. It's the A minor now. We're in A major,
Here's how
dominant
to
chord.
be an agreeable chap. Love me and leave me in luxury's lap. Hop when I holler, skip when I snap. When I say do it, jump to it, send out for scotch.
And she's the master of economy. I mean, she doesn't play anything that isn't necessary. I mean, sometimes she does, but, you know, it plays out nicely too. But you know, she can do so much with very, very little. You know, just a couple of chords in the right spot, all you need. I mean, if you're like an up-and-coming, you know, jazz player, beginning jazz player, she's worth studying. She really is.
Call me a cab, cut me a rose, make my tea with the petals. Just hang around, pick up the tab, never out.
And I hear now she's going to like instead of just a minor 9th, it's like a minor 11. So if you can't reach the 9 easily, I mean, you can put your thumb across 2 keys there. Put that little G major triad up there. There's your thirds. That's the chord right there. That's all you need. Root, 7th, 3rd. There's no 5th. We got a 9th and an 11th. Let's finish it out with Shirley.
Just make me polar bear.
You ever do that?
Me. Don't bug me. New Thunderbird me. You heard me. I'm getting hungry. Peel me up.
Yeah, that B minor, you could make it a minor 7 flat 5. Easy chord, always all white keys. Unless you put in the 9 with the, I don't think it fits here. Yeah, it just fades out there. My favorite lyric in this whole thing, I mean, they're all great, but yeah, where's she go? Polar bear rug me, polar bear rug me, polar bear rug me. Here it is. Don't bug me. I mean, it's genius. It really is. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the song. You could just play along with it. Just put a blues scale in there a little bit. And even on this part, when it's going like this, it's still the same scale, right? Now we think of it as a C major scale, but it's still the A blues scale. Real quickly, let me just go over this, the Blossom Dearie version, which is just piano and voice, so it's kind of like a... All right, so it's been a few minutes since I listened to it, so I think it was something like that she does. And then you could follow the chords now of this version, but you got to have a real high voice if you're going to sing her arrangement. So they're using A7 flat 5. What's the flat 5? E flat. So it's also E7 flat 5, the exact same notes. E7 flat 5, but you could make it a little hipper, make it more of a 7th chord like that, maybe something like that. Now we're in B flat. We're really in F because we're on the 4 chord. Yeah, she hits like an E minor 11, and then your sharp 9 chord. Do it that way. That way, do it that way. Lots of cool ways to do it. And once again now, it starts in D minor, so you can use the D minor blues scale. But when it gets to the F part, or rather, the F part with the B flat as the 4 chord. All right, now it's a wrap. Thanks, everyone.